Hey guys, I'm Chef Marco Niccoli. Welcome back to my restaurant. I wanted to show you how easy it is to make one of our Frappuccinos with the brand new Nitro Blending System 2.0. So we're gonna take the stand, the mold that fits our house cup, take our house cup. It's just a few ingredients. We're gonna do ice. A little bit of hazelnut. Some almond milk. And then of course some iced coffee. We're gonna put the ring right in. Our cup fits perfectly. We're gonna take the blending attachment and seal it tight. Close, and in just 10 seconds, we're gonna have a perfect Frappuccino. Remove the attachment. No waste, as you can see. Put it straight on the lid, and it's ready for service.